Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we dive into all things health and wellness. Today I have something really interesting to share with you. Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, what's going on with my tongue? Maybe you've noticed some unusual colors, textures, or even bumps that you can't quite explain. It turns out your tongue can tell you if something's wrong before you even feel symptoms. This is because the tongue is a highly sensitive organ that reflects the state of your internal health. We often think about our heart rate or temperature as health indicators, but your tongue? It's often overlooked, yet it can provide crucial early warnings about your health. It's a powerful tool that can reveal a lot about what's going on inside your body. From nutritional deficiencies to more serious conditions, your tongue can be a window into your overall health. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of tongue diagnosis. We'll explore how different signs on your tongue can indicate various health issues. We'll uncover 7 tongue signs you should never ignore and what they might mean for your health. These signs can range from simple dehydration to more complex issues like vitamin deficiencies or even systemic diseases. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on future health tips. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content. And let me know in the comments if you've ever noticed any of these changes in your own mouth. Have you ever been concerned about what your tongue might be telling you? Let's get the conversation started. A healthy tongue is usually a nice pinkish red color, but if yours is looking extra red, almost like a strawberry, it might be time to check your vitamin levels. Specifically, a bright red tongue can signal a deficiency in vitamin B12 or folate. These vitamins are crucial for cell growth and development, and a deficiency can lead to fatigue and weakness. Now, before you start popping supplements, it's important to talk to your doctor. They can run blood tests to confirm a deficiency and recommend the right course of treatment. Now, a yellow tongue is definitely something you don't want to ignore. While it can be harmless in some cases, a yellow hue often points to issues with your liver. The liver plays a vital role in filtering toxins from your blood, and when it's not functioning properly, those toxins can build up and cause your tongue to turn yellow. Dehydration is another common cause of a yellow tongue. If you're not drinking enough fluids, your body goes into conservation mode, and one of the side effects can be a decrease in saliva production, leading to a buildup of bacteria and that yellowish discoloration. Okay, this one might sound a little scary, but a blue or purplish tongue is a big red flag that something's off with your circulation. When your blood isn't circulating properly, it can cause a bluish tint to your skin and mucous membranes, including your tongue. This can be a sign of a heart condition, lung disease, or even a blood disorder. If you ever notice a sudden blue or purple discoloration in your tongue, especially if it's accompanied by difficulty breathing or chest pain, seek immediate medical attention. Just like a bright red tongue can indicate a vitamin deficiency, a pale or whitish tongue can be a sign of anemia, particularly iron deficiency anemia. Iron is essential for producing red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout your body. When you're low on iron, your red blood cells become smaller and paler, and this can show up as a pale tongue. Other symptoms of iron deficiency anemia include fatigue, weakness, shortness of breath, and pale skin. If you suspect you might be iron deficient, talk to your doctor about getting your iron levels checked. Now, a fissured or cracked tongue might look a little alarming, but in many cases it's completely harmless. This condition, often referred to as a scrotal tongue or lingua plicata, is characterized by grooves, cracks, or fissures on the surface of the tongue. These fissures can vary in depth and length, and while they might look concerning, they usually don't cause any pain or discomfort. It's often just a normal part of aging, kind of like wrinkles on your skin. As we grow older, our bodies undergo various changes, and the tongue is no exception. The appearance of these cracks can be a natural part of the aging process, similar to how our skin develops wrinkles and fine lines over time. However, if you have a cracked tongue and you're also experiencing other symptoms like dryness of the mouth, inflammation, or pain, it could be a sign of an underlying condition like dehydration, a vitamin deficiency, or an autoimmune disorder. Dehydration can lead to a dry mouth, which in turn can cause the tongue to crack. Similarly, deficiencies in certain vitamins, such as B vitamins, can affect the health of your tongue. Autoimmune disorders like Sjogren's syndrome can also manifest with symptoms affecting the tongue. The key here is to pay attention to your body. Being mindful of any changes and understanding what is normal for you can help you catch potential issues early. Regular self-checks and being aware of your body's signals are crucial steps in maintaining good health. If you notice any new or unusual symptoms, it's important to take them seriously. If you're concerned about any changes in your tongue, it's always best to err on the side of caution and consult with your doctor. A healthcare professional can provide a thorough examination and determine if there's an underlying issue that needs to be addressed. They can also offer advice on how to manage any symptoms and maintain the health of your tongue. Remember, it's always better to be safe and get a professional opinion if you're unsure about any changes in your health. So we've covered a lot of ground today, from white coatings to blue tongues. The most important takeaway is that your tongue is a powerful indicator of your overall health. Make it a habit to give your tongue a quick check every now and then, just like you would check your skin for any unusual moles or spots. If you notice any persistent changes in color, texture, or shape, don't hesitate to bring it up with your doctor. Remember, early detection is key when it comes to many health conditions, and your tongue can be your body's early warning system. So, the next time you brush your teeth, take a moment to appreciate your tongue for what it is, a powerful window into your overall well-being. Want more body signs that indicate disease early? Watch my next